Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tell you about an interesting topic that many older men get wrong. How to make a younger woman truly obsessed with you. Not through tricks or fake charm, but through wide psychology, presence and maturity, and through the depths and realities of the heart. You see, attraction isn't about chasing or proving yourself. It's about how you carry yourself as a man, especially as an older man. So let's uncover what really makes younger women attracted, curious, and emotionally drawn to you. Part 1. Don't chase, create magnetic energy. Be the way a woman will follow you. The first rule is simple. Stop chasing, start attracting. When an older man chases a younger woman, it gets exciting. But when you stay composed, focused on your life, your purpose, and your goals, it creates non-magnetic energy. She starts thinking, why isn't he chasing me like everyone else? This curiosity turns into emotional obsession. So don't flood her with messages or attention. Stay calm, let her flow into your energy, and let her find peace. Part 2. Maintain emotional mystery. This is how a woman will go crazy for you. Younger women are attracted to older men who have depth, not because of age, but because of emotional mystery. When you reveal everything too quickly, the excitement fades. But when you speak with calm pauses, confidently sharing your life stories, yet pull back a little, it builds attraction. Mystery is powerful. She starts thinking about you when you're not around. That's how obsession begins, and not with constant attention, but from an emotional place. Part 3. Emotional stability is more attractive than looks. A younger woman can date hundreds of good-looking guys, but very few stable men. When you stay calm under pressure, don't argue over small talk, and never show frustration, you instantly stand out. Your emotional maturity becomes your most attractive trait. You're not competing. With younger men, you're showing a completely different level of control, and it feels different. That's the difference between being liked and wanted. Part 4. Talk less, listen more. Women love this habit. Most men talk too much when they're nervous or trying to impress. But an older man who listens and really listens makes a younger woman feel seen. That's rare. When she understands, she starts to trust you, and trust leads to comfort, and comfort leads to commitment. So let her finish when she's talking. Maintain eye contact, nod, smile slightly. The calmer you are, the louder your presence will be felt. Part 5. Subtle physical confidence. You don't have to look like a 25-year-old gym model, but posture, grooming, scent, and the way you walk, these things matter. Walk slowly, speak calmly, dress neatly, and maintain a masculine posture. This subtle confidence will put you on notice before you even fully understand why. She will feel drawn to your presence without you saying a word. Part 6. Live a life she wants to be a part of their own free will, of their own pleasure. And finally, don't make her the center of your world. Make your world interesting enough that she wants to be a part of it. Have hobbies, routines, peace, and purpose. Women are obsessed with men who make them feel like they're stepping into something powerful, desperate or empty. Be the man who doesn't need validation, because the more complete you are, the more she'll want to fill the spaces you don't give her. So remember, attraction isn't about age, it's about energy, control, and mystery. And love is about love. If you master these traits, you won't just attract a younger woman, you'll make her constantly think about you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the ear bell icon for more real talk about age gap relationships and male psychology.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone.